The ketogenic diet, also known as the keto diet, is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that aims to induce a metabolic state called ketosis. Ketosis occurs when the body does not have enough carbohydrates to burn for energy, so it begins to burn fat instead. The liver breaks down fats into molecules called ketones, which the body can use for energy instead of glucose. When following the keto diet, you typically consume about 70 to 75% of your calories from fat, 20 to 25% from protein, and only 5 to 10% from carbohydrates. This severely restricts the amount of carbohydrates you eat, forcing your body to switch from burning glucose for energy to burning fat. Research has shown that the keto diet may have a number of potential health benefits, including weight loss, improved blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes, and improved cognitive function. However, it's important to note that the keto diet is not appropriate for everyone and should be approached with caution, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. It's also important to ensure that you are consuming enough nutrients and not relying too heavily on high-fat, low-nutrient foods. Consulting a healthcare professional before starting the diet is recommended. Like and subscribe the channel.